nice stag.
Yeah.
Let's come now 2 centimeter, 3 centimeter, maybe.
Well, bigger, yeah.
Push a bit more, yeah.
Yeah, I'll have him, he's nice. Can I pick a different end to go with him though, so I don't... Have a look at this one, isn't it?
This one, yeah. Hey, what?
Lovely stag, mate.
Yeah. Right there.
Beautiful stag. You can only find these sort of birds in Germany, you can't get them anywhere else. Only in Germany you can get these ones.
Ah,
Pure black ones like that.
the black shamo, white shamo, I go now Dubai, Pakistan.
Yeah, they
Yeah.
buy loads. Yeah, buy loads.
I give no Pakistan.
Stag as well.
Yeah. This is Deutschland. Tell him to show you. He's got him
Yamato.
so far.
Yeah.
And the other bird I showed you what you liked out front. And I've got to show you the white one in a minute I like. Yeah, he's lovely, Mike.
Very nice bird, I like him.
Yeah.
Yamato come 10 minutes.
No.
Mike's just got him. What are they, Mike? Gunkais?
Yeah.
Him and that partridge in down there. He's the best one I've seen. The only white hen they've got here for me. It's black tag. That green tag is a splat tag I've got to take off. But she's a German one with the black tag on this year's. I'll show you me bird now. My white bird I just got, and that hen. This year's bird. Pure white, not a bit of other colour on him. Mike could have got more black ones, but he's gone for her, so he wants the shape.
200 for the black one? Yes.
He's buying more now, we're never going to get what he's in. Yeah, I like her as well. Mike just bought it. He's coal black, but he's had to do serious munging because he was going to the big show in Germany with him. And he's after a pure white one, but I love him. He's coal black. Look here. at him now, yeah. Yeah, I do like him. Right, look at them two in there. We'll go and look at the whites. A few more white ones in there. Another good blackbird at the back there. I think Mike's going to collar that one. Not going to let him stay here. More in cages in here.
This problem?
Yeah.
Oh,
That's the blue.
no.
Yeah.
And
Yeah, I
zoom
like
in on
all
him.
the bigger and shorter beaks.
Blue red. Got them all in now. Only thing we've gone a bit mad. Look, packed out. We've got a range of different, all under the seats there as well. Yeah. Hopefully we'll be able to do it.